Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this week tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find a brand new secret Christmas element set on Canva. First, just open Canva and then next just open any designs that you want and then go to elements and then just type this code, just search for this code and then enter and okay like this. The secret set will instantly appear like this. And I think these collections can called vintage hand-drawn Christmas gift box. It's a super cute pack of illustrated design with warm cozy patterns and texture styles like this. And I think these elements are perfect for Christmas greeting card, holiday poster, gift tags, YouTube thumbnails, and many more. Just go try it out and make your holiday designs look extra magical. And okay, that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.